Top foods for healthy eyes. Berries, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, are essential for healthy eyes. Opt for blackberries and raspberries to maximize these benefits. Corn is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, natural shields against harmful sun rays. Including them in your diet lowers the risk of cataracts. Eat eggs for lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc to combat macular degeneration. Remember, breakfast is key. Go green for your eyes. Foods like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and kale are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, essential for eye health. Boost your ocular well-being with these nutritious veggies. Lentils, black-eyed peas, and kidney beans are packed with bioflavonoids and zinc, shielding your retina and reducing future health risks. Boost eye health with omega-3s found in salmon, a top choice for its light, nutritious protein. Omega-3s safeguard blood vessels, promoting overall eye wellness. Call us at 866